In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher is not launching. The first thing you want to try is open up Task Manager, go to Details and sort by the name, then press anywhere and press E. Then look for Epic Games Launcher and Epic Web Helper, just anything with the Epic Games related. Then you want to end the task and make sure that everything Epic is ended, right? And then you want to try and open it and see if it works now. Now, if this still doesn't work, you want to search for Epic Games Launcher, right click, open file location, and then do it again. And you should get to the epicgames.exe in here, into the folder. You want to right click on the launcher, properties, compatibility, and then you want to try and activate these two first. Apply OK, try and launch and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, try and activate this one as well. Run in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Then see if that one works. Otherwise, you can try Windows 7 as well and see if that one works. Now for me, the Windows 8 works, so I'm just keeping that one. Now once you've done this, it should hopefully work. But if it's still not working, come here and search for run. Type in %local app data %. In here, you want to look for Epic Games Launcher. Open it, go into saved, and then delete your web cache folders. So just delete these and then close it down and then restart your PC and then try and open it now. Now I really hope any of these help fix the issue. Otherwise, as a last resort, you can try and uninstall the Epic Games Launcher and then reinstall it again. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.